Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping anything that might lock the clipboard. Close background apps and any extra Excel windows. This often frees the clipboard immediately. Next, make sure the target sheet or workbook isn't protected because Excel silently blocks pasting into locked ranges. Once done, clear the Office clipboard or use paste special right arrow values to avoid formatting or formula conflicts. You're taking these first actions to eliminate the most common, quick-to-fix causes before moving to deeper troubleshooting. Now you dig into the more complex sources. Disable Excel add-ins temporarily because COM or third-party add-ins often interfere with paste operations. Go to File Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Add-ins, and manage them. Also inspect the target area for merged cells, incompatible table formatting, or strict data validation rules that reject incoming values. If issues persist, repair Office from the operating systems, app settings, or start Excel in safe mode to test for conflicts. These steps isolate software and format-related causes so you can narrow the problem. For final resolution, reset user settings if nothing else worked. Renaming the Excel registry key or resetting Office preferences restores defaults and often removes stubborn blocks. Another quick workaround is to paste your data into Notepad first to strip hidden formatting, then copy from Notepad back into Excel so only plain data is pasted. If those fail, save the spreadsheet to a new file type like XLSX or XLSB, restart your PC, and reinstall Office as a last resort. If problems persist, check the one troubleshooting tip next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.